ஆறறிவு மனிதா, உனக்கில்லாத அக்கறை இயற்கையின் மீது இந்த ஐந்தறிவு பறவைகளுக்கு. பறவைகளின் பாச போராட்டம், படைத்தவனின் உடைமையை காக்க. பார்ப்போமா?
In a lush, green forest lived a vibrant community of birds, each with their own unique songs and colors. Among them were Tara the toucan and Pupa the parrot, who noticed a change in their beloved home. Each day, as the nearby city expanded, more smoke and waste found its way into their forest. One morning, Pupa woke up coughing, her feathers dulled from the smog that had crept into their area. Tara saw her struggling and decided it was time for action. They gathered all the birds of the forest and formed a plan to show the humans the impact of their pollution. The birds flew together to the city, each carrying a branch from their forest. They dropped these branches in places where people gathered, leaving traces of their forest in cafes, parks, and streets. With each drop, they tweeted and sang loudly, drawing attention to their plight. Curious and concerned, the city dwellers took notice. Among them was a young environmentalist who captured this unusual protest on video, which quickly spread online, stirring up support for the forest. Moved by the plight of the birds, the community rallied to reduce pollution. Factories began to control their emissions, and locals worked to clean up the waste. Gradually, the air around the forest cleared, restoring the health of Tara, Pupa, and their friends. Moral: even the smallest voices, when united for a common cause, can bring about great change. Protecting our environment is a shared responsibility.